Far Eastern University, of course, the winningest team in the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Let's take a look at the remaining schedule. They play Ateneo and then UE in their final game of UAAP Season 74 in the elimination round.
That's right, all important games for FEU, including this one, but it will really be more complicated. If they win this one, the match against Ateneo will put so much weight on these two squads. Why? Because they want to be in the final, the second slot, the second place in the Final Four.
But Mosey, do you think that there is added pressure on the part of FEU to win this game? Because if you compare the schedules of UST and Adamson, FEU is the only team that's playing one of the top two teams in the remaining schedule.
That's right. That's correct, Anton. I'm sure they really want to take this game away from Adamson and at least secure 8 wins. And then bahala na yung di ba, yung susunod kasi medyo risky na yung succeeding games nila. So I'm pretty sure they know that the importance of this one in winning this one against Adamson.
In the first round, Ateneo defeated FEU 3-1. But of course, Coach Nespa Minar would like to just focus on this afternoon's game first.
Guevara on the middle hit takes a point. Oh, single block, but I think it's a net block. So point goes to FEU.
Let's take a look at it.
Let's see, sayang yun because there was only one blocker for FEU. For Pao Soriano. Na-touch na block rin.
Pao Soriano this time just tipping it over that double block of FEU. Free ball here. Makatuno. Pineda. And Pineda continues to show her worth.
She has done a spectacular job so far in carrying those points for Lady Falcons. Of course, with the help also of Soriano. This is what you want to have on the side of the Lady Falcons. Yung kanina nga you mentioned, it has to be a team effort. And the big three should really have their numbers today if they want to win this against FEU.
So far, Sheila Pineda is getting hers. Soriano has had her moments. If Zapanta clicks, then it will be very hard for the Lady Tamaraos, to defeat the Lady Falcons this afternoon.
Vasquez on the dig.
They're giving opportunities to Mayat Zapanta. And now, Majorie Rojas there, nicely dug up by Vasquez.
Oh, not free ball, sayang, but not a very pretty first ball.
Great job by Zapanta to keep that one alive for her squad. Vargas denied, but the ball is still alive. Zapanta winning that joust at the top of the net. Point for Adamson.
That's right. Rojas a bit late into saving that block ball. Hinabol na lang niya but Zapanta was just all too ready for that block. In fact, isang kamay na lang ginamit ni Zapanta to take that point.
Vargas has been having a difficult afternoon so far. The blockers of Adamson really watching Vargas.
That's right, and Pao Soriano once again from the middle, just a tip this time because she saw there were already 3 blockers in front of her. Went the easier way.
12-9 in favor of the Lady Falcons. Vargas once again. And that double block of the Lady Falcons has really been there to defend against Vargas.
And look at this, in spite of the set being more closer to FEU may nagka-violation at the net, Pao Soriano able to contour her body to take that point and save the ball.
Coach Nespa Minar has been sending in a lot of fresh bodies off the bench.
Trying to get that combination.
Basas, the most recent player off the bench.
Vargas finally finding her groove on that last play of a combination.
Vargas really has to come alive for FEU. She has been the barometer for the Lady Tams here in UAP Season 74. Top scoring for the Lady Tams in 6 out of their 11 wins.
But today, her points has come in triple so far, but we are only in the second set as we see this combination play. Soriano once again on the tail end and taking the point. So it has been Pineda and Soriano for the Lady Falcons.
Vargas. That time from the weak side, but
again a wide ball from Vargas. Really not getting her timing so far.
15-10.
Vargas
For Adams.
unable to get her groove going so far. And it's not helping FEU's cause.
And is it going to be called in? Adamson
It's a corner foul.
saying that it went out. Let's try to take a look. Oh, that's the line ball.
So it should be, that's the correct call.
Okay.
Because when the ball hits the line, it's considered in. Kinlog of that double block. Oh!
Oh, that's going to be definitely a lifting violation on Guevara. Makikita mo naman medyo may pause yung bola. Tumigil, not one motion. Ayun tagal sa hand yan. So it has to be a single motion.
FEU continuing to stay close to Adamson here. Oh!
And Vargas
Dalawa na lang.
on the serve gets an ace. Cross-court serve coming from Vargas.
Service.
We all thought it was going wide.
Lady Falcons a little bit hesitant there because they thought as well that it was going to go wide. Kinlog off that double block. Eulalio able to keep it alive here.
And Basas on the swipe gets a point.
14.
And Mami Dulce not liking the call previous to this one. Tumama kasi ng maraming beses daw kay Eulalio. Sabi niya parang 3 beses tumama. So it has to be a violation. But of course,
Long shot.
that goes out this time.
Adamson University trying to hold on to take this set number 2. Find out if they will when we come back.